Good morning. Alrighty, you guys, I am heading to gas up the truck, pick up a few tools, final tools that I need to finish packing up, and then I'm gonna go pick up the trailer, come back, load up my car, and we're going to go meet some drift buddies, and we will be on our way. So stay tuned and let's get this drift weekend started. A little bit. Pull into my car. We are heading into Apple Valley Speedway right now. The next morning, just finished wiping down Blueberry right now. We're gonna get ready and roll in to the pits and then just set up. I'll do a little walk around of the rig right now. Blueberry's looking extra shiny, but today's gonna be a good day. I'm gonna learn a lot and I'm bringing y'all with me, so stay tuned and let's go making some breakfast. Forgot I don't have any utensils, so I gotta use my knife. Alrighty, y'all, we made it to the pits. I was taking off my tires and noticed I've got some serious camber wear, so go ahead and swap those out. Didn't realize that. I need to get some adjustable camber arms, so I'm showing wire on my tires. These are my street tires I've been dailying, and yeah, that's some serious wear. So I'll show you guys, and I'm gonna swap out my tires, and then we will probably have a driver's meeting, and I will catch y'all later. I'm showing you hella freaking wire. Alrighty, y'all, so I was already out at track a few laps. I wanted to warm up a little bit and I got a little squirrely and just went into the dust mount and ended up debeating my front tire. I'm hoping that's all that is going on. So I completely, I'm hoping these wheels didn't crack. Yeah. Are you alright? Yeah, I'm fine. Okay.
A few moments later. So it is lunch break right now. They actually did close down the track for lunch, which I'm kind of surprised for, but I figured I would walk around and show you guys the pits and what's going down. We've got my lineup. We've got Jace right here, the V8 drift truck. This thing's fucking insane. Isaac, as we've seen.
This is the pit for me and then everyone else. And then that's the entrance down here. So let's do a lap. This thing's insane. Talk about a drift truck. Holy crap. Just perfection. I can't believe they're actually drifting this. Ooh, and it's super mint inside too. Z's to rent, some more pits. Alrighty y'all, so that is pretty much the whole pit area. We have 30 minutes to an hour for lunch and I will catch y'all later. The drift truck over here. Ruh-roh. Whoa, look at that. This prehistoric video camera thing is so cool. What do you do for a living, sir?
I'm an electrician, actually.
Oh, wow.
Sadly.
Too qualified. What do you do for a living, sir? How do I be like you?
You want the real answer? Or?
There you go.
I deliver pizzas. I deliver pizzas and I'm a shop tech.
Do you deliver pizzas in this?
Yep.
That's insane. Do you? Oh yeah, you don't.
Not anymore, but I used to.
You used to deliver pizzas in this?
Yes. Yeah, it used to be us two.
Crazy.
Pizzas, yeah, like car top badass little car company. It was fun.
Wait, do you guys work at the same place?
Yeah.
Oh, you did. So this is Isaac's car, as I mentioned. We've got the truck, my Z, another gal over there, Pretty Girls Drift. Don't know where the Miata's at.
There's a lot of left turns here. Yeah.
Alrighty, y'all. I believe it is around 6 o'clock. This event is supposed to be going until 11. As you can see, a lot of people have already left. We were dealing with a lot of rain, some windstorms, rainstorm. It's the desert. It was crazy. But yeah, everyone already took off. It was really fun being out on track while it was raining. But you guys, I came out here to send my car. This is the last time I drove my car to the track, drove my car home, so I couldn't really full send it. So I full sent my car and I was actually, you know, it was getting better on throttle. I need throttle commitment and just commitment overall. So I really pushed it, and I pushed it a little too hard into a tire wall. But it's all good. Some amazing buddies and people helped me get it rolling again. So as you can see, I sent my car. We went into the dirt, we went off-roading. Here is the damage. Not too bad now. We pulled it out a little bit with the strap. I'm gonna have to do that some more. Luckily there was tires this time, so we were able to pull that coolant hose away from that pulley a little bit. I gotta get in there and adjust it some more. Kind of look forward to that. This poor baby. We are dirty. Oh my goodness. Holy crap, Jace! Scare the flip out of me. I didn't even see you. You good?
Yeah.
No, you're not good?
For some reason. What happened? I don't know. It just shut off on me at the
Ooh, problems. Load up the Tacoma. Everything's back there. So small. And I'll start loading everything up and cleaning up. There's Isaac with his little smiley faces. Those are so cool. But that's about it, you guys. I'm gonna clean up and get stuff rolling. We got some interesting clouds over here. Heyo! Sorry for the lighting. Currently off-roading out here right now. That's a wrap, you guys. Heading back home to Fresno. 4 hours from Apple Valley Speedway to Fresno. So let's get it. It's gonna be a nice cruise back. Today was really awesome. I set some goals thanks to some buddies. I was able to kind of focus on what I needed to actually accomplish. Throttle commitment with the car, and like letting go of the steering wheel and letting the car correct itself. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you made it this far to the video, you're awesome. And I appreciate your support. Catch y'all when we stop for food and gas up. We've got the 4-hour drive home. So well, you guys, it's definitely been a day. It is about 12:30. I don't even know what time. Just gassed up, and someone was sleeping in their truck and it died. I'm learning to tow, and the biggest thing with this is reversing. I don't know how I got this corner all the way up. Only I would do that, but I don't care. I got this truck to use. I'm gonna put it to use. When I was watching the meteor showers last night, I was sitting up here. Oh yeah, you can see that. So yeah, truck is trucking. Not bad. It's a good setup. So we're gonna take care of this, and then hopefully I will catch y'all when I'm back home or something. Heyo, good morning. Today is day number 3. I am currently headed to drop off the trailer right now, and yeah, I'm wrapping up the weekend. It's a really good drift weekend for construction. More construction. So I have really bad camera in my rear, which I've been meaning to fix. So I'm going to be doing that most likely before my next event. And yeah, so there's a lot coming, and we're just getting started. So I'm super excited. I hope you guys are too. Thank you for following along and watching this far again. We're good to go. I hope you guys have a great one. Like I say, live life, stay driven.